The dugout report shows wiffle ball. Aiden and Dylan against Jack and Tyler. This is going to be a good one, folks.
On the 2-2 count, Dylan up to bat. Base hit down the first base line. And Aiden with a ground ball out. Jack up to bat. Nice base hit up the middle for an easy bag. Tyler up to bat. He swings and it's a nasty pitch. Out. Nasty pitch, strikeout. Nice. Ooh, and Tyler misses the catch, just barely, for a nice single for Aiden. Dylan up to bat. Hits a nuke. And he is able to round the bases and hit the first home run of the season. You can see how excited he is with the little celly at the end. The pitch by Jack. Aiden up to bat is a strike. In the pitch, Aiden's going to seem to get 2 on this, and it's a double down the third base line for Aiden. And Dylan up to bat. Tyler gets his redemption and was able to get that one. Jack walks for his third at-bat of the game. Tyler up to bat. It's a strike down the middle, out. And it's first pitch, ball. Second pitch, ball. Lines up to bunt. Jack, ball. And he walks. Tyler, ball, walks. Jack up the middle with a base hit. The score is now 1-2. Tyler, base hit, no foul ball. Tyler, foul ball. 0-2 count. 1 out. 1 out left in the game. Last hit. And he hits a ground ball to score in another run. Jack up to bat. And it's some swing and a miss. He swings again. It's a miss. He swings, and it's a ground ball. Walk-off hit for the win. The Worcester Tornadoes win the game.
There you have it, folks. Jack and Tyler come back and take the win from Aiden and Dylan. Thank you for joining us.